Here we go, 25th of January. Just loading up some gear. I've got the Quantex and the Omnia. 92 and 106 loaded. There's loads of waves on the east coast of Scotland at the moment. It's meant to have died down a little bit today, so me, myself, Luke, Rory and Paul at least are going to go and check out a place called Seacliff. So if it's sailable, it could be quite fun. It's been too big to sail probably last few days, so let's check it out and let's see what we get. See you on the beach. All right, boys. So, I just watched that guy get absolutely pitted in a close-out barrel.
Is he good?
All good, eh?
Yeah, the man in the rubber suits in the car park said they hadn't seen him.
Yeah. There goes the route. Yeah. Here's my perspective. I found a little barrel rock, which is really sheltered, to watch the boys. Chicken jive. Luke. He's going right down the line.
It's so great, it's hard to tell which wave he's on. What's on?
Oh, he's definitely on the way.
Thing. Ah! Sick! Add another, add another.
Go on, Luke, go on.
Luke. Oh, nice. Come on, hit it, hit it, hit it. Yeah! Finish it.
Nice, well done, Luke.
Shit. Ah!
No way. Well done, guys, going out in that. That was epic. How did you enjoy it? What was it like? What was it
It was
like?
good. It's difficult. It's super offshore,
Yeah.
super gusty. It's just hard, and it's terrifying down the bottom. So,
It is terrifying. You get to the top of the wave and you wait and you wait and you wait because it's quite flat, and then you bottom turn and you kind of look up at it and you feel certain body parts loosening a bit and you're like, "Ugh." It's all like this. So there was a couple I was like, yeah, I've got it. I'll actually just leave that. Thank God. It's like,
Oh, well done getting out. Well done getting out in that. That was
Cheers for filming.
impressive.
thanks.